Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, and after this expiry how the next month starting is going to be and how to start tomorrow. All these things will be discussed in this short video. This video is created for educational purpose. Consult your financial advisor before investments. Thanks very much for subscribing my YouTube channel, and please do refer to your friends for helping me to grow this a bigger one. Nifty, as discussed yesterday, on a 5 minutes chart, you can see it was a kind of very good gap down opening and closed somewhere closer to the range of 10,200, and the exact same range which I have given as a support also. So even though like when it has executed on the put option side, you are supposed to wind off your put option at 10,200 range, and the same thing happened. If you are good enough, you might have took a call option from this point, and exactly it got rejected at this 10,350 range. So that is where my level was suggested, like if it is about 10,350 we can go for call option side, and it exactly took a kind of a reversal from this point, and then it dropped below 10,300 again and gave another down run of 150 points, and finally at the end of the day it just kind of closed like a doji pattern or like a small spinning top. And yesterday's recommendation, you can see this 10,300 call option and put option both executed like at least once in a while and gave a kind of very good return. And coming to the Bank Nifty is also the same. The lowest target given was 21,000. It just closed and touched exactly the same point, and then from there it got reversed from 21,000 to 21,500 to 600 range, and it got exactly rejected over at this point, and then came down and again another upward run from this 21,100 range to 21,600 to 700 mark, and finally closed at this 21,500 with the level which I said is very crucial for the closing. And the expiry was all it as planned. Like today in Bank Nifty, I normally do trade with Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty I was able to catch this particular drop up from here to here, and then another up run, but I was not able to capture from this point, but I was able to capture from the middle of this one up to almost this point, and there I just closed off. So two entry points I was able to do. The first off I was focusing mostly on equity, because on the second half, like after this 12 o'clock, the premium was very nominal and you are able to do very good lots. It was a very good profitable day for me personally. And on the Bank Nifty side, you can see like almost 180 to 190 point profit on both the levels. So that's what I said, like, but when you capture at the lowest to the highest point, if you are able to capture from here to here, the profit was almost 200 rupees per lot. Okay. And what is there for tomorrow? So tomorrow for Nifty, it's going to be the same thing. Like if it is quite below this 10,300 mark, let us go to daily chart. So if it is below this 10,300 mark, and if it sustains below this level, we can execute put option. And if it is above 10,350 mark, we can execute call option for the same target of 400 to 500 mark, not more than 10,400 mark. Don't expect much big upward movement. Most probably it will be on the downside, so we can expect somewhere closer to this same 10,200 mark or 150 level will be expectable one in Nifty. And on the Bank Nifty, and the same thing, if it sustains about 21,500, we can expect it to touch this 22,000 mark, and on the downside it can again touch this 21,000 mark. So mostly PE will be a very good option tomorrow. Okay, let us see the recommendations for tomorrow. So if Nifty is about 10,300, exercise call option for a target of 10,400 levels, and on the downside if it is sustaining below this 10,300 mark, you can exercise put option for a target of sorry, I have not updated this value because a NSE website is having some errors, so that's why I have not shown the option chain that also. So if it is below 10,000 300 mark you can exercise 10,300 put option for a target of 10,200 or 150 mark where you can close your put option position. And stop loss for the same will be 10,350 on the upper side. Okay, and on the bank nifty, if the level is above 10,000 to 21,500, you can exercise the call option for a target of 21,800 to 22,000 mark, and stop loss for the same will be put some 100 points down, like whenever it crosses 21,400. And if it is below 21,500, you can exercise 21,500 put option for a target of 21,200 to 21,000 mark. Stop loss will be 21,550 to 21,600. And how to take these kind of levels is what I mean every day. So there is a program called TLP, which is a short-term training program, which includes the basics and kind of intermediate level, and it will help you to make your own levels and to become an independent trader. So that is the main agenda of this TLP program. If you are interested, you can subscribe and you can contact me with the contact details mentioned in the description, and get benefited. Thanks very much and have a wonderful and profitable weekend. Thank you very much. Bye.